Toulouse. From the dam line of Audi's Reflection, Barnike and Wirma. The Olympic stallion Emerald van Ruytershof has already produced a number of Grand Prix show jumpers, including Nika van de Bisschop, Emerald van Voorhof, Igor and Jasper van het Hellehof. We find him paired with a first-class performance dam line. Toulouse has the same grand dam as the international 150 and 160 level performers Audi's Reflection, Wirma and Vallon, as well as the two-time gold medal winner Barnike of Bertram Allen. Another international 150 and 160 level show jumpers, which lead in their dam line back to Great Grand Dam Sernike, are Zandigo TS, Whitney and Dexter.